And we are getting a great news as we're learning of another century for Virat Kohli. Remember, he's now become the first player to score 53 ODI hundreds. That's a big achievement for Virat Kohli, another feather that's added to his cap. He now becomes the first player to score 53 one-day international centuries, and that is what we are learning of as far as this match is concerned. India and South Africa, second one-day international, and the highest run scorer so far as a century is concerned is Virat Kohli. He's just hit a century, another century for Virat Kohli, and this has put him out there on the record books as he becomes the first player to score 53 one-day international hundreds, and that is what we are learning of. A great achievement for Virat Kohli and also for his fans who were in fact waiting to see his their favourite icon, their sports star, to go out on the crease and score for Team India, and this is what Virat Kohli has done. Remember, there was so much that has been said about how Virat Kohli is being forced to play, and there was a lot of controversy that is being associated with the other players who were not doing as good. But now this century, Kohli is shutting off all his critics and also enthralling his fans simultaneously. First player to score 53 one-day international hundreds. My colleague Shivani Gupta with the latest. Shivani?
Yes, another back-to-back 100 for Virat Kohli in this series alone. And with this, of course, as you mentioned, he has scored 53 ODI tons. Already with his 52nd ton last time around, it was a record for the most centuries in any one format. He had overtaken 51 centuries by Sachin Tendulkar in Test cricket. But certainly, as far as white ball cricket is concerned, Kohli is just continuing to show that age is just a number for him. He's been, not playing continuous cricket because he's retired from two formats already. But still, when he came here for this series against the Proteas, he has come fully prepared. He talked about this last time around after the match as well, that for him, most preparation is mental these days. He just tries to ensure that he has that desire and the determination. And at his age and with everything that he has already achieved, that is what is the most defining, the most defining thing for him. Certainly, as of now, he looks like in a really rich vein of form. This is only auguring well for India. Remember, we're coming after a very depressing loss in Test match cricket against South Africa. So, while it doesn't, kind of cover up that, but success in the ODI series are certainly going to be some balm for Indian cricket fans who have seen possibly one of the worst defeats at home against South Africa recently.
Right, do stay on, Shivani. We have former cricketer Madan Lal also join us on the broadcast. Mr. Lal, thank you so much for joining us. 53 ODI hundreds for Virat Kohli. How do you see this latest form of Kohli's?
Amazing, person like him, the way he runs, takes the singles and doubles, and, in between he hits the 4 and 6s. Kamal hai, Virat is, looks like a 25-year-old now because his fitness level is so high. So, and like this, he will keep on scoring, another few couple of hundreds.
मदन लाल जी यही कह रहे हैं, सभी लोग इसी बात को कह रहे हैं कि विराट कोहली को फॉर्म में देख के ऐसा लगता ही नहीं है कि वो अपनी उम्र से कहीं छोटे लग रहे हैं जिस तरह की फॉर्म वो दिखा रहे हैं फील्ड पे, और ये जो उन्होंने करके दिखाया है बहुत ज़रूरी भी था, क्योंकि अभी शिवानी से भी हमारी बात हो रही थी, हमारी स्पोर्ट्स कलीग से, वो भी ये कह रही थी कि आफ्टर दैट डिबैकल एज फार एज द टेस्ट मैच इज कंसर्न, इंडिया रियली नीडेड दिस, एंड विराट कोहली लीडिंग फ्रॉम द फ्रंट, not just in fact gaining that ton for India, but also putting himself on in the record books with that 53 ODI century.
Yeah, definitely he's going to, like the way he's scoring, definitely he's going to, all the runs is going to the history book. But, end of the day, what matters is your team wins, Whenever he gets under, your team wins. That's a very important part of it, And, most of the runs which Virat Kohli has scored, India has won the one-day game. So, and that's where he gets a lot of kick, person, 25 years old, I don't know why he left Test cricket. We still have a lot of cricket left in him, But that is his personal decision. But the way he's running, his fitness shows in the running between the wickets, the way he takes single with the youngster. So that is a proper great thing, happening. And, other thing is, that whenever he goes to bat, first 10, 15 runs, after that, we all knew that he's going to get 100, That's where, he's so mentally strong, He knows what he's doing,
Yeah, because these are back-to-back centuries against South Africa. Yes.
And South Africa's bowling attack is good, It's not that his bowling attack is not very good, but he's a good bowling attack. Getting run against them is a great, And I love watching him, because just watching the game. But, amazing, the way he's going, I think he's going to score many more 100,
Right. Madan Lal ji, बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. Thank you so much for being there. Shivani continues to be with us on the broadcast. Shivani, this is the common sentiment of everybody who wants to watch Virat Kohli play. That is what they are saying. Doesn't look like a player of his age is playing like someone who would be of 25-year-old or 13, no more. And that is what many people are saying, looking at Virat Kohli's form at the moment.
Yes, absolutely. And, a lot of questions over his form or performance also needed to keep in mind that, form can be temporary. But as far as Virat Kohli's class is concerned, that is permanent. He has been a, global revelation as far as the shorter format is concerned. He has, stupendous records. And also his performance when India does well is very crucial, whether batting first or second, especially in chases, for example, in ODIs. He's done remarkably well for India. And that is why the question that everybody needed to ponder before there were a lot of questions over whether they can continue to play over, till 2027 was whether we want to we want to lose a talent like him sooner than we should because World Cup needs that kind of experience, especially at number 3 where he bats. It needs the kind of both mental and physical prowess that Virat Kohli has. Physically too, he still continues to work very hard. He talked about this in the last match, that I work very hard, and it's not just about his physical fitness, but for any area of his life. So right now, these centuries are very timely. The two of them have come back to back, especially when there was a lot of backlash against coach Gautam Gambhir, for example, because there was a sense that he was pushing out some of these greats like Rohit and Virat. How true that is, frankly, this is what the news, the dressing room buzz is. But what India will be mindful of, and I mean Indian cricket will be mindful of, that, once you lose big players like this, it's very difficult to fill in their shoes. And if both of them are willing to extend and play till 2027 World Cup, then there's no reason why the Indian setup or the board or selectors should put a stop on it. They should be rather encouraging them to play as long as they want, as long as they're performing, of course. There will be questions asked if their form dips, but as of now, we need to make the most of this.
Since you mentioned coach Gautam Gambhir, there was a controversy associated with Virat Kohli where he was not really willing to play the domestic cricket, the Vijay Hazare Trophy for that matter, that starts end of December. But now I think he is going to be, after initially refusing to participate, he is now going to be participating. What is happening as far as that controversy is concerned?
Well, a lot is being said, but we don't know exactly what the mind of either of these players or the coaches. Yes, some of the statements that Gautam Gambhir has made have seemingly gone against him because it feels like he has put the onus on players alone for whatever has happened. But at the end of the day, it is the players who have to perform on the field. So if you did badly versus South Africa in Test, can you blame the coach alone? The application ultimately has to come from the players on the field. So, there are both sides to look at it. But yes, the relationship between Gautam Gambhir and some of the older stars, one can say with certainty, hasn't been great. And I think the onus would be on Gambhir to also work on that a little bit.
Right, Shivani, thank you so much. So 53 ODI hundreds for Virat Kohli, becomes the first player to have achieved this feat after that 100, second consecutive one against South Africa in the second ODI.